Hello, my fellow travelers of our shared sacred journey. You are listening to your crown chakra reading from the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This will be a 2-card reading. The first will be for the crown chakra itself, and the second one will be from the divine chakra to help enhance the energies of the crown chakra. Our first card is from Living with a Feather Heart Oracle, and it is, I advance through my own abilities. In Duat, a soul prepares for the weighing of the heart on the scales of Ma'at, the first of the negative confessions within the papyrus of Anis is, I have not committed sin. Sin, contextually speaking, relates to the action of an immoral transgression against divine law, not a law that has been created, but a law that has been embodied by the Creator. Ma'at serves the capstone of the moral pyramid of the soul, her all-seeing eye with crystalline vision into the spirit of the temple of the human soul. Sin as an action is to be without, to be cut out of alignment with creation, to lack honor and honesty, and deviate from divine will. But what is the will of the divine? Hermeticism speaks of the notion of all truths being half false and every falsehood being half true. This can be seen and understood when looking at the Devil card and the Lovers in the Rider-Waite system of tarot. At first glance, one may view the Devil card as the representation of pure evil, darkness, and all things relating to fear. But upon closer examination, we find that while related to the denser qualities of the life experience, the true meaning of the card is what we allow to bind us to lesser worlds. The Devil with the inverted pentagram represents forcing will into existence by inverting natural law. The chains worn around the neck of the man and woman standing underneath the Devil's throne are loose enough for either to take off at any time. Yet out of fear they remain shackled. Their desires have inverted their natural instincts and the inherent wisdom of love as the fuel of the divine and the vehicle with which you may journey into any desire, as long as it is rooted in true wisdom of the heart. The Lovers is the opposing card to the Devil, and while some may interpret this card as the notion of lovers in the sense of a romantic relationship, metaphorically speaking, it relates to the alchemical force that radiates in your actions and desires. When love takes precedence over fear and wisdom, it is the primary desire manifestations fluidly materialize with ease as the light of the sun radiates vision onto the path ahead. In applying these metaphors in advancing through your own abilities, one must remember the root of each desire we wish to advance toward and ask if it is aligned with love or with fear. When a desire is fear-based, it may cause sinful actions such as lies, deceit, cheating, and the use of darker forces, which ultimately stain the spirit, weigh down the heart, and lose the light of divine harmony in the void of ego's need for validation. However, if a desire is based in love, then we are in tune with nature's song and the will of Ma'at, the lightness of being, and the visionary state of virtue. The infinite expansiveness of imagination allows for heaven on earth as we find faith in our own abilities, love being the will of the divine, creativity being the soul expressed in such a way that allows every spirit to soar toward freedom with a feather heart, liberated from fear of judgment. And our crowning card for the week is from the Divine Feminine, and is Marguerite Porete, the Mystic of Divine Love. There's nothing more powerful than remembering that we are love, and there's nothing and no one outside of us that is needed in order to realize this. It's between our experience of the divine and our own soul. We can let go of what we think we need to prove or who we think we need to be in order to receive love, because we remember that we are love. Then we can stand in that truth even through flames. Marguerite is a courageous truth teller, and the truth of her experience is that love alone can free us. Not the love another might give us, not the love of family or of friends. All of this is powerful and significant, but the true source of love for us is in the fact that we are a soul, and that the soul is in union with the divine. She reminds us that we've forgotten that love is the essence of who we are, and that true love is found within. Marguerite says love has no beginning, no end, and no limit. And I am nothing except love. This is a time to own and know this truth more fully. It is the most profound and radical act we can ever take, knowing the love we already are. I am supremely blessed for you joining me today. Thank you. I will be back tomorrow with your root chakra reading to start a new round for the chakra readings for the upcoming week. Thank you. Be grateful for your many blessings and take care.